Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find the information helpful. Today, we're taking a look at OppFi, a financial technology platform aiming to bridge the credit access gap for everyday consumers. Found at www.oppfi.com, this company offers a suite of loan products and services designed specifically for individuals who may be overlooked by traditional banking institutions. OppFi recognizes that credit scores don't always tell the whole story, and their mission is to empower those with less than perfect credit histories to access the financial tools they need. Navigating to their website, you'll find a wealth of information about their various offerings. These include installment loans, lines of credit, and other credit-building tools tailored to help individuals improve their financial standing. OppFi emphasizes responsible lending practices and provides resources for borrowers to manage their finances effectively. They strive to be more than just a lender, positioning themselves as a financial partner dedicated to helping customers build a brighter financial future. OppFi's platform leverages advanced technology and data analytics to assess creditworthiness beyond traditional credit scoring models. This approach allows them to consider a wider range of financial factors, offering a more inclusive and holistic view of an individual's financial health. Their commitment to financial inclusion is evident in their efforts to provide fair and accessible lending options to a segment of the population often underserved by mainstream financial institutions. For those seeking alternative credit solutions, exploring the resources available on OppFi's website could prove valuable. They offer a clear and comprehensive overview of their products, along with educational materials and customer support services. By focusing on responsible lending and financial empowerment, OppFi aims to make a positive impact on the financial lives of their customers, helping them navigate challenges and achieve their financial goals. Visiting www.oppfi.com allows potential borrowers to learn more about their options and determine if OppFi is the right fit for their specific needs. So, head over to their website to explore the possibilities and discover how OppFi might be able to assist you on your financial journey.